as discussed earlier, half subtractor is used for the subtraction operation of the LSD. Okay, in that case, if there is a borrow, okay, that is what we found in the previous case. But here, in the case of full subtractor, that is, it's not all about the LSD. It's not all about the LSD. You know, if, say for example, if this is 0 and this is 1, and there can be bits from here also. Okay, so what we do is we take a borrow to the next case, make this 0 and this is, it will become 1 0. This is how we perform the case, and this is the case with half subtractor. And if this is a full subtractor, we can see there are two kinds of borrow, ABBI. This is the input borrow and this is the output that we obtain. Okay, A and B are these cases. Okay, otherwise you may get confused. A and B are these two cases. This is A and this is B. A minus B, that is subtrahend and minuend and subtrahend. Okay, and BA means the borrow or the element that we use to give to the preceding case, that is BI. Okay, and after performing the operation we get the difference, that is the difference that we obtain after performing this. This is the difference, this is BI. And what is B means the borrow that we obtain from the, that borrow that we can be used for the next case. Okay, I will explain once again. This is A, this is B. BI means a borrow that is used for the preceding case, and this is the difference that we obtain after performing A and B case, and which includes BI also, A minus B minus BI. And also B means the output borrow, that is the borrow that we obtain from the for use in the next case. Okay, which can be used for the next, not next case, for the next column. Okay, for the next column. Now about the operation, 0 minus 0 minus 0 is 0 0. 0 minus 0 minus 1 means 0 minus 1 is 1 1. 1 minus 0 minus 1 is again 0 minus 1 means we have a borrow, it becomes 1 1 minus 0 1, that is difference is 1 and borrow is 1. Let me check. Yes, difference is 1 and borrow is 1. 0 minus 1 again, there is a borrow, we get 1 0 minus 1 means 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 0, sorry 1, 1 minus 0 again, 1 minus 0 1, 1 minus 1 is 0 0, 1 minus 1 is 0 0, 1 minus 1 0, 0 minus 1 1. Let me check the answer. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 1 1. Yes, it's correct. If you have any doubt regarding the previous, the previous borrow and the borrow that we obtain for the next column, for the time being you can ignore it, because we mainly focus on the design of the full subtractor. Okay, it can be a bit confusing for you. Okay, so let me check it once again. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1. Yes, it's correct. And the block diagram full subtractor, we have A, B and BI, and we have output D and B. Okay, please. Based on the truth table that we have just constructed, and looking for the values, the D values where we obtain 1 and also the B values where we obtain 1, we formed this. Okay, I formed this. It's very easy, and we have discussed a lot of problems like this, and we are familiar with the expression solving or reducing the expressions, okay, simplifying the expressions. So it's very easy, taking the common terms and what this particular term denote. We are familiar with that. AB plus A bar B bar means it's A XOR B the whole bar, and A bar B plus A bar B, A bar B plus A B bar means it's A XOR B. So taking common terms, and it's similar to A B bar plus A bar B. So we take it as A XOR B XOR Bi. And similar is the case with B. Okay, what we do is we take the values, the B values where we got 1. Okay, and based on that we performed, or we need to simplify this. Okay, taking A bar B common, we have Bi and Bi bar, Bi plus Bi bar plus Bi into AB plus A bar B bar. So this is Bi plus Bi bar means it's 1, so we write it as A bar B plus this is A XOR B the whole bar into Bi. Okay, these are all simple steps. This is very easy also. Okay, please try it yourself. Okay. And this is the final design. Okay. How we obtain this figure means, A XOR B XOR Bi is the answer. A XOR B XOR Bi is D. That's the difference. And the borrow part, we have A XOR B bar. The A XOR B, we have an A XOR B whole bar and into Bi plus A bar B in AND gate. Okay, A bar into B, and this we put into an OR gate, and finally we derive B. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, follow the steps. These are all simple steps. Follow these steps and you will definitely get this result. Okay, I always tell you, please try this solving or designing these kinds of circuits at home. Okay, so that the concept will be clear to you.